Use an Outlook dashboard to see and manage your priorities much more effectively. When you get in and start reviewing your email inbox looking for action reminders and tasks, it helps to have a bigger view of Outlook, what we call the Outlook dashboard. Generally, all of the areas of Outlook work together. Your email is used to receive and send information, while your task list maintains the running list of to-do items. You can organize your tasks by categories. Of course, your calendar manages all of the meetings, due dates, and upcoming events that you're planning toward. Oftentimes, you will change the view of your calendar to be able to see more or less depending on how much you're managing. For example, you can choose to see a single day, a 5-day work week, a full 7-day week, or even a month at a glance. One of the most useful views within Microsoft Outlook is what we call the Microsoft Outlook dashboard. Begin by choosing a day in the mini-month calendar, and then click and hold that day with your cursor and drag to the right to see multiple days. Here you have a 3-day view. On the left-hand side, click and hold the vertical blue margin towards the left, and you give yourself just a little bit more viewable space. And on the right-hand side, click and hold that blue margin to incorporate the mini months and the TaskPad view. To get even more viewable space for your TaskPad, click and hold the horizontal margin all the way to the top, moving the mini month view to the left-hand side, your calendar in the middle, and your TaskPad on the right-hand side. Here, while you're managing the days and meetings on the left-hand side of the screen, you can have your action reminders and a projects list on the right-hand side. This makes it easy to manage multiple priorities while knowing what you are doing day to day and hour to hour. Anytime you need to add a task to your calendar, simply click, hold, and drag that item to create a new calendar event. If you had a meeting, say tomorrow at 3 p.m., you can move the agenda that you've been keeping over time and make a new event. Simply drag it over, change the date and time, and click Save and Close. Now you have the action reminder on the calendar while maintaining the ideas on the ongoing agenda list in the task list. Now, if you have been keeping up with the running agenda, you could easily email that agenda a day or so before the meeting. Simply click and hold the agenda in your TaskPad, and then drag that all the way over to the mail bar on the left-hand side. Let go to create a message out of the agenda. Type in the person's name that you're meeting with in the To line and amend the subject line to let them know what you're already thinking about in regards to the upcoming meeting. Edit and organize the body of the email so that what you send is simply a running agenda list for the upcoming planned discussion. Here are a few more things you can do to maximize this Outlook dashboard view. To get the most out of the Outlook dashboard view, go to your calendar, click on View, choose Arrange By, Current View, and here select the option Day, Week, Month View with Auto Preview. Now, whenever there is more information in the note area of an appointment, you'll see that when you look at the day or week view in your calendar. Next, move your mouse cursor toward the right-hand side of the window, right-click over the gray TaskPad bar, scroll all the way to the bottom, and choose Customize Current View. Here, click on the button Group By, and choose to group items by category, and then click OK. The next area to amend is your filter. Here, click on the Filter button, and choose the Advanced tab on the top of that small window. Next, toward the bottom left, click on the Field button and choose Frequently Used Fields. Scroll down until you see the option Complete. Add Complete equals No to the list and click OK. Now this organizes Outlook so that your task pad only shows you outstanding to-dos. You do not see the reminders of things that you have already done. Of course, those are available to review in the Task view under Completed Tasks. And finally, one more amendment. On the top menu bar, click on Tools, choose Options, and then select the Other tab. Here, click on Advanced Options, and on the top you'll see what startup folder you have chosen for Microsoft Outlook. Most of the time, people have Outlook set to Start in their email inbox. When you click the Browse button, there you can choose which startup folder you use. You can change what startup folder you use, and for the sake of this experiment, we recommend that you choose Calendar as your startup window. Now, whenever you start Outlook, the first screen you see is your calendar and your task pad. Try this out for a few weeks and see if it helps to get more out of using Microsoft Outlook.